When words fail, the lonely sound of voicemail. Hey there, it's me again. I'm still here, waiting for your voice to come in. I know things might be tough or busy right now, but at least know that I'm still here, waiting to hear from you somehow. Our friendship means a lot to me, that's true, and I hope it means something to you too. So if you're out there, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and communicate. I'm not giving up on us, not just yet. I'm still hopeful. I'm not filled with regret. I believe in the power of communication and love. And I know we can get through this like a hand in a glove. So take your time. I'm not going anywhere. I'll still be here waiting for you to share. Whatever on your mind, whatever you want to say, I'll be here with an open heart, come what may. Life can be tough and friendships can fade, but I'm not ready to let ours become a shade. So whenever you're ready, I'll be here on the line, ready to hear your voice and to make everything just fine. Alright, I'll wrap it up for now. But please know that I'm still here somehow, waiting for you to come back, waiting for your call. And I'll keep waiting as long as it takes for us to stand tall.